Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing great, right? So today I'm here on our platform Diksha Karnataka to tell you about a very interesting, very fascinating stream of engineering, which is aeronautical engineering. Okay, so I'll be taking all those concerns that you have. What is the stream? Okay, how the placement works, what kind of colleges you get, the cutoffs and everything will be discussed. Okay, in detail in this particular session. Okay, so if I have to summarize, yes, it's kind of in demand, means basically a very demanding stream of engineering. Means you have to put in a lot of hard work. You have to put in, a number of hours of studies to master the concepts in this particular stream, but at the same time it is higher rewarding as well. You end up joining very prestigious organization, maybe government or maybe private, which will help you explore the world. Okay, maybe in space science, maybe in aircraft industry, or different types of aerospace industries are there. Okay, so I think you have an idea now what I'm going to talk about in this session. Let's begin with the session right away. So if you're talking about a definition, what it means, what is the stream of aeronautical engineering, please check. So we have first, aeronautical engineering is a specialized branch of engineering that focuses on the design, very important, the keyword is design, and development, testing, as well as production of an aircraft and related systems. Okay, next, if you see, it covers both theoretical and practical aspects of the flight mechanics, okay, propulsions, aerodynamics, materials, avionics, and structural analysis. Okay, so you can see here, you can getting the idea. Mostly the things are with respect to the aerodynamics, the stability of the part of the any aircraft which is flying in, or maybe any device which is flying in. Okay, so all of that will be discussed, will be learned in this part. Okay, basically check this here, from the design till the production, testing, all this has been studied in this course, okay, of engineering. What will you do actually? Let's say if you are an aeronautical engineer, what will you do? So you will design new aircraft or components such as wings, fuselage, landing gear, or control system. Because as a student, we want to know what is my end goal after I finish this course, right? What I'm going to working with. So that is there. The answers: use CAD, CAD, and simulation tools like CATIA, ANSYS, SolidWorks for design and testing. So a lot of things that you see around you, right, that has to be designed first, that has to be tested first, whether the design is suitable or not, can it be sustained or not. So all that has to be done as an engineer. If you have to test all these things, but don't worry about it, you'll learn it in the program that you're gonna take up. Okay, design or evaluate jet engines, turbines, or rocket motors. Okay, work on fuel efficiency, is very important. Okay, thrust and emission control. Again, study airflow over aircraft surfaces to ensure stability, lift, and efficiency. Okay, so these are very very high-tech terms, might look very fancy to you right now, but once you get into the course, right, it'll be very easier for you to understand there. Okay, conduct simulations in wind tunnels or computational fluid dynamics, CFD softwares. Okay, CFD softwares. Let's move on. So this is the profession. Basically, if you are an engineer from this stream, that's what you're gonna do. So some of the things I've taken, not everything of course, but yeah, just to make an idea. The real world impact of aeronautical engineer: safe and efficient air travel. Very important, right? Space exploration and satellite technology, national defense and security, disaster relief and emergency services. Next we have climate monitoring and environmental research. Okay, again a very important application. You can see that, as I said, yes, it is a high demanding, means this course demands a lot from a student who's pursuing this career, but it has big reward also. You end up doing all of this. Okay, you can see your impact as an aeronautical engineer in the real world. Technological innovation and industry advancement drives innovation and fuels advancement across industry. Not only for the aeronautical industry, you also work on the innovation and the fuel advancement for fuels. You end up fueling the investment in different industry as well, across wherever the application are there. For example, aerodynamics also suitable for F1 cars, right? Those cars run at very higher speeds, so the aerodynamic of those car has to be very well designed, right? So for that things, you can see between the industry also the technology can be utilized. Moving on. Now, core subjects and curriculum, if you see, so of course I've not taken all, but I've tried to give you some subjects over here. I hope it's all visible. Just give you an idea. So if you check here, engineering thermodynamics, in that you talk about heat engines, entropy, thermodynamic cycles. Okay, of course you learned a few of these things in the mechanical engineering as well. Okay, but mechanical, after the first step of mechanical, you move to what? Aeronautical is also part of somewhat mechanical engineering, right? So basically mechanical would be a general engineering stream, whereas aeronautical is a more specific specified stream of engineering. Okay, so even this part you learn in mechanical, but yes, it is also there in the case of aeronautical stream. Next is fluid mechanics, fluid behavior, flow systems and equations both, right? Whether it is let's say we're talking about water, other fluids, or you talk about air as well. Okay, fluid mechanics is very, very important. SOM, strength of materials, stress, strain, torsion, bending of materials. Don't worry about these things right now, you'll learn it once you choose the stream. Next is aircraft structure 1. Okay, there are like more than one subjects like this. Let's say in the semester number 3 this comes one, then part 2 comes in semester number 5. Okay, so that's why it is written here 1 and 1. Aerodynamics is also there, basics of airflow, Bernoulli principle and airfoils, material science, metals composite used in aircrafts. Okay, again you need to choose the right materials, right, for the aircraft, otherwise it will not function properly. Propulsion systems, jet engines, turbojets, turbofan and rockets. Check here flight mechanics, aircraft performance, stability, control, dynamics. Okay, we have avionics as well, navigation, communication, flight control systems that you learn in this particular stream, particular subtopics, the subjects which is there in the entire curriculum of aeronautical. Aircraft design, conceptual and preliminary aircraft design will be studied as a part of aircraft design. I hope this is clear, right? So just to give you an idea what is the core subjects and the curriculum, how it looks like, if it fascinates you, this is the right choice of stream for you. Okay, moving on. So if you check here, some more subjects and curriculum: aircraft system and instruments, hydraulic, electrical, landing gear systems. We have CFD as well, computational fluid dynamics, numerical simulations of fluid flow using ANSYS, or this is software, right? This is the software that you use to study CFD. Okay, aircraft maintenance and inspection, airworthiness, defect detection, documentation. Okay, and finite element method, FEM, structural analysis and using simulations. Okay, again this might be very advanced to you right now, but just giving you an idea. Okay, this might be very advanced things. Space technology, rocket propulsion, basics of launch vehicle, orbits and thrust. So just in giving you idea of the core subjects and curriculum, if somebody is a little bit informed about this by looking at certain videos, certain movies, they talk about these kind of technologies, right? So that is there. Let's move on. Yes, now career opportunity, if you look industries wise, aircraft manufacturing companies, HAL, Boeing, Airbus is there. Defense organization, DRDO, ADA, Indian Air Force. Okay, you have space agencies, ISRO, NASA. Again, for different companies, different industries, you have different way to approach them. They will hire differently, not always campus placement, but yes, there are organization industries that hire, that take the individuals who are aeronautical engineer. Then you have aerospace R&D labs, NAL, CSIR labs, airlines and maintenance firms, Air India Engineering Services, Indigo, MRO, okay, and private aerospace startups, Skyro, Technical, Bellatrix. Okay, so these are the industries, some of the industries, not all, of course. And if you look at the career opportunities, what you have, so in the core sector, in the technical roles and others. So you have aircraft manufacturing companies, example HAL, Boeing, Airbus for the core sectors. Technical roles is again aerodynamicist. Okay, we have flight test engineer, avionics engineer, propulsion engineer and maintenance engineer as well. In others, we have defense services. Okay, higher studies you can also do MTech, MS in the aerospace or avionics industry. Research either from IISc, one of the top colleges across our country, IIT or abroad. Private aviation companies and startups also are going to be one of your choice if you want to do after your let's say completing your degree or engineering entirely after 4 years of program. Okay, what else is there? Have a look. Now placements, if you check, some colleges have taken across Karnataka. Have a look. RVC, Daran Sagar, so DSC, MVJ College of Engineering, Acharya University, Acharya Institute of Technology, Siddhaganga SIT is there, and Manipal Institute of Technology I've also taken. If you check here, seats are 60-60 like this, and approx placement rate is 70-80%, 60-70%. This is again online resource, okay, not taken from their website. You have to cross verify this data, okay, but yeah, I've got this resource online. I wanted to show you this as well. So please cross check this before relying on this data completely. Before making the decision of aeronautical engineering, please cross check this. Okay, you can approach the college, they'll give you proper data. If you want, you can call them up on their official website. You will find their number, you can contact them. If you want, you can visit them and get to know their number of seats and data if they actually disclose. So I don't know whether they're going to disclose or not, but try it there. If you are looking to make decision to get selected for these colleges, you'll have to make an effort for that. Okay, but this is the data that I got online. Please verify it before making a decision. Okay, for all the colleges that I've given you over here for the placement. Again, top recruiters, please check aerospace, defense. If you check, you have Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, GE Aviation, Rolls-Royce. Okay, and for private aviation and MRO companies, we have Air India Engineering Services, SpiceJet, Indigo, Tata, Advanced Systems. Okay, and research and design organizations, we have NAL, we have CSIR labs as well. Okay, other engineering and IT companies, we have some IT companies also recruit for software roles. Okay, so especially related to simulations and CAD, example TCS and Infosys. Okay, let's move on. Next is in the PSU segments. What are the top recruiters? We have HAL. Okay, we have ISRO, DRDO, ADA, BEL and BEML. Okay, these are the top recruiters in the particular segment of aeronautical engineering listed over here. Please have a look. Okay, and top colleges, if you see, this is the COMET-K cutoff. Again, I've taken from online, so this is from the data of 2022 and 2023. Okay, this is from 2022 to 2023 data. So please verify this again. Verify once before. Excuse me. Verify once before making a decision. Before decision making. Okay, this is taken from online source, so please cross check with the data. Anyway, very soon you'll get a cutoff. Okay, will be released from the COMET-K side, so you can cross check over there. But these are some numbers that I wanted to show you. For RVC, the cutoff goes around closing rank for COMET-K 2500 to 3500. DSC, we have 4000 to 5500. MVJ College of Engineering, we have 6000 to 8000. We have Acharya at 8000 to 10000. We have PES at 1000 to 2000. Okay, and we have Manipal at, again, no, they don't take from the COMET-K to take the separate examination. Okay, so this you know very well. The top colleges for CET, if you check again for this particular stream, we have RVCE 2000 to 4000. Okay, again, please cross verify this. Okay, verify once. Verify once before decision making. This is because about your very important. This is about your career. You should be well informed. So I want to tell you, this is taken from online resource, may not be completely reliable, so please go ahead and check the platform of the college to get a actual data. This is from, again, 2022 and 2023. Okay, so please check. RBC was 2000 to 4000. We had Siddhaganga SIT as 5000 to 7000. Dharan Sagar private quota, mostly they take, an MVJ College of Engineering 6000 to 8000. Cross check this part as well. Okay, please cross check this part as well. Okay, and Acharya Institute of Technology also at 8000 to 12000. Okay, they must take from CET as well. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll cross check one more time for this part and let you know that in the comment section of this particular video itself. Okay, for the DSCE. Now, what else we have, sir? Let's see. So, is the aeronautical engineering right for you? So, for a student to make a decision whether this is my right choice or not, I should ask myself some questions, and those questions are, please check. Do you have a deep interest in aircraft, space or flight technology? First question, ask yourself. If the answer is yes, then this is the stream for you. Do you enjoy subjects like mathematics and physics in school? Okay, if you do that actually, then this is the stream for you. Are you looking for a technologically or technically challenging and innovation driven career? Then this is the stream for you. Okay, and are you okay with the fact that aeronautical engineering jobs are limited in number and may require relocation or specialization as well? Means you have to do masters or some other courses you have to undertake to become suitable for any hiring. You have to do that. Okay, you have to do some higher education as well, or you have to relocate to some other part of the world. Okay, apart from wherever you're staying right now, you have to relocate as well. If you're okay with that, then this is the stream for you. Again, do you aspire to work in research organization like very good organization? Of course, ISRO is there, DRDO, NASA, or aircraft manufacturing companies like HAL, Airbus, Boeing. If you are having that much of aspiration, you want to do that, of course this is the right stream for you. Then you have, are you prepared to pursue higher studies, MTech, MS, PhD if required to grow in this field? Then this is the right stream for you. Because yes, for some students, for some you can see you have to pursue higher degrees to get in that zone of placements and working in the fields of this particular stream. Okay, so these are the questions that you should ask before making a decision that is this a stream suitable for me or not. Now again, what are the higher studies and exam options that you can take? You can undergo MTech, MS in aerospace or aeronautical from IITs, NITs or foreign universities. They're going to, of course, the reputed ones. Okay, these are already reputed. We know that very well. IITs and NITs are very reputed colleges in India. Foreign universities, if you're taking, make sure that you are taking from a very a good college or university across the world. MBA for aviation management roles, you can do that. And GATE GRE for advanced studies or PSU job. Public sector are taking jobs. Research and programs in organizations like ISRO, DRDO, ADA and NAL. They also offer this based upon the candidate's profile, but they offer this. You have to go and try from your side as well. Okay, so these are the higher studies and exams options that you have. MTech, MS, MBA, GATE, GRE or research programs in the organizations. Okay, different organizations, ISRO, DRDO. I think even an IIC, they do offer it. So I don't know if to go and check it after or maybe during your final year of this particular course of aeronautical engineering. So I hope you found this session very useful. If anything I've missed, let me know that in the comment section. So this is it for now. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.